Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting close to 900 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my analysis, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we are testing a very key resistance level here with our exponential moving average. For those of you that were part of Telegram channel, we managed to get a very nice scalping opportunity into this resistance, and there are a few things I want to talk about. Number one, looking at Ethereum, you can see that we are still focusing heavily on the 1518 support. We did have a nice pullback, of course. Looking at the RSI, we were in extreme oversold conditions, but right now is not an area to be looking for a buying opportunity. Instead, what we want to do is we want to use these pullbacks to our advantage and look for shorting opportunities. But in my opinion, I would highly suggest waiting until the 1612 resistance retest. The reason for that, of course, is you can see even with this massive dump opportunity and pullback, you still had quite a bit of opportunities to enter those scalps even with that dump. So this is exactly why I'm telling you guys to try to get the best possible entry for these swings into 1612 all the way back into 1518. Of course, this is all dependent on the exponential moving averages. Today is Friday, as you guys already know. The weekend volume is pretty much non-existent, so you want to be very careful entering these trades as of right now. Maybe Monday morning we might get a better opportunity for an entry, but over the weekend, if we do see a liquidity grab or even a false break, usually weekends are green, we are looking for that 1612 retest and getting that entry towards the overall down. I want to talk about the daily time frame though, because this is quite interesting to me. Looking at the daily, you can see we have had a very nice breakdown formation, but we are pretty much over leveraged away from our exponential moving averages. You guys already know I don't necessarily like trading without the daily time frames because of how they hug towards each other. You can see we had the same sort of gap opportunity right here with this massive dump, and then we ended up retesting it before continuation. And that's exactly why I'm telling you guys to at least wait till 1612, because even on the daily, our 9 exponential moving average is lining up absolutely perfectly. If we get that retest opportunity, then 1518 is the overall play. But of course, if we do end up losing 1518, which has happened before, you can see that right here we did see a daily breakdown formation, losing 1518 into the $1,300 Ethereum, which is why I've been pushing for you guys to be paying attention to these opportunities. The M formation has not yet completed. I have been talking about this M formation on this trade for quite a while now, and you can see there's absolutely no reason to be bullish when we are still using the exponential moving averages as resistance. You can see pretty much here we had the same sort of consolidation zone, tight range, ended up losing it with a huge breakdown formation. Once again, we are in that same tight range, and that usually leads to another dump opportunity. Of course, I did get the question, am I going to be a buyer into the 1390 support? And I do want to talk about that. If we do end up hitting the 1390 support, I will be a buyer just for the scalping position. That doesn't necessarily mean that I'm buying for the long term, although my area of buy opportunities are somewhere down here around the $1,100 to $1,000 Ethereum, if we can of course have a capitulation candle. If we end up having a slow bleed opportunity and pretty much doing something like this, and I will be pretty much sitting on my hands, probably waiting for the weekly retest into 700, because that zone is going to be ideal for a long-term buy. Even just right now, looking at the daily time frame, we know the fact that this M formation is going to play out into the 1390 support, which we have been keeping a very close eye on, so just pay attention to the 1612 retest as of right now. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I'll be guys out.